so this particular problem says the following. It's an inline skater. So it says, an inline skater skates on a fitness trail along the Pacific Ocean from point A to point B. So here's this diagram. From point A to point B is where the skater is skating along. It says, as shown below, two streets intersecting at point C. So here's our two streets right here. They intersect each other at point C. It says, at point C also intersect the trail at A and B. In her car, the skater found the lengths of AC, so AC and BC to be approximately 0.5. So AC, this one is 0.5, and CB, that is 1.3 miles. It says from a map, she estimates the included angle at C to be 110. How far did she skate from A to B? Okay, so what we're given is we're given a side, an angle, and a side, and what we want to find is how far did she skate, so from A to B. So when we're given a side, angle, side, then we're going to use the law of cosines to solve for that. So let's go ahead. We'll draw our picture that we have. So we have A, B, and C. This is 110 degrees. From A to C, 0.5 miles, and then we have from B to C, 1.3 miles. Okay, so we're going to use the law of cosines. Remember that those formulas are on your formula sheet. It's the last little box on your formula sheet that you have. So we're given C little b, essentially, and this is little a. So the formula that we would use is the following from our formula sheet. Oh, okay, so then what we have is we want to find little c. So little c, that formula is the following. So we have c squared is equal to, you take b and you square it, so that's 0.5 quantity squared, plus we're going to take little a and square it, 1.3 squared, and then minus 2 times the sides that are given to us, which is b and little a. So we have little b is 0.5 and little a is 1.3, and then we have the cosine of 110 degrees. Okay, so then at this point, is you can square each of these values. We've done a few of these before. Multiply these together, take the cosine of 110. When you do that, you get the following. You get c squared is equal to 2.38, and then you have to take the square root of both sides, so little c is equal to 1.5. So going back to our problem, what they wanted us to find is what is that distance for that skater from A to B? Well, we just determined what this side is right here. So little c is going to be 1.5 miles is the distance that that skater skated. Okay, any questions?